Good morning, students. Today we will solve the questions from exercise 14.3. In this exercise, we have to find the divisions of algebraic expressions. So, students, in this first question is carry out the following divisions. And first part of this question is 28x to the power 4 divided by 56x. So, students, we have to find out the division of these expressions. We have to divide this 28x to the power 4 by 56x. So, first of all, we have to write this 28x to the power 4 divided by 56x. Now, in the second step, students, we have to find the factors of 28 and factors of x to the power 4. So, factors of 28, that is 2 into 2 into 7, students. So, we have to write here 2 into 2 into 7 into x into x into x into x. It is 4 times because it is x to the power 4. Now, divide it by 56x. So, we have to find the product of this 56. So, it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 2 to the 4, 2 the 8, 7 the 56, and this one x. Now, we have to cancel this x by x, 7 by 7, and this 2 by this 2, and this 2 by this 2. So, in this question, student, numerator will be x into x into x. So, it is x into x into x, and denominator will be 2. This one will be, student, x into x into x, it will be x cube, and this one divided by 2. This is answer of this part of the question. This one is the third part of question number first, and we have to divide this 66 p q square r cube divided by 11 q r square. So, first of all, we have to write this 66 p q square r cube, this one divided by 11 q r square. Now, we will find the factors of 66 p q square r cube. So, 66, student, we have to find the factors of 66. It will be 33, again by 3 it will be 11. So, after 11 it will be 1. So, factors are 2 into 3 into 11. So, 2 into 3 into 11 into this p q square. So, we have to multiply this q 2 times, q into q into r cube, that is r into r into r, and this one divided by 11 q r square, 11 into q into r, because it is r square, student. So, this one 11 cancel by 11 q, and this q cancel by this r square, this one r into r 1 time and 2 times. So, 1 time r is remain here. So, in the upper part, it means in numerator there is 2 into 3 into p into q into r. So, it will be 2 3 the 6 p q r. This is fifth part of the question, student, and in this we have to divide this 12a to the power 8 b to the power 8 by minus 6a to the power 6 and b to the power 4. So, first of all we have to write this 12a to the power 8 b to the power 8 divided by minus 6a to the power 6 b to the power 4. And in the next step we have to find the factors of 12, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into a to the power 8 into b to the power 8 and divide this by this one minus 2 into 3, 2 3 are 6 and it will be minus 6 into a to the power 6 into b to the power 4. Now this one 2 cancel by this 2 and 3 cancel by 3. So student here minus. So we will write it this 2a to the power 8 into b to the power 8 by minus 1 into a to the power 6 into b to the power 4. So, if we divide this 2 by minus 1, it will be minus 2 student. So, minus 2 into, now we have to divide this a to the power 8 by a to the power 6. So, a is 8 times here and we divide this 6 times. So, only 2 times will be remain here. So, a to the power 2 will be here and this one b is 8 times and we divide this b to the power 4. So, b will remain only 4 times students. So, it will be b to the power 4. So, our answer is minus 2a square b to the power 4. This one is answer student. This is question number 2 student. In this, divide the given polynomials by the given monomials. We have to divide this polynomial by this monomial. So, in this part, this one will be 5x square minus 6x divided by 3x. So, student, in the next step, we have to take common in the numerator part. So, what is common in these two terms student? We have to decide it. So, 5x square minus 6x, in this x is common student. So, we have to take x as common and 5 will be remain this 5 and x, because x is 2 times here student. Then 5x will be remain if we have taken x as common minus, and in this part only 6 will be remain because x is taken as common and denominator will be 3 into x. So, x cancel by x. So, answer will be 5x minus 6 by 3. This one is answer student. And in this part, this one is the third part of the question. In this part, we have to divide this polynomial by this monomial. Students, monomial means one terms. There is a single term. So, it is monomial. Now, this one is 8 into x cube y square z square plus x square y cube z square plus x square y square z cube. In one bracket, it is divided by 4x square y square z square. So, we have to write this 8, this one x cube y square z square plus x square y cube z square plus x square y square z cube, and it is divided by 4 x square y square z square. So student, in this part we have to take common, because x square y square z square is at least present one time in these three terms. So we have to take common 8 x square y square z square, and remaining part will be, if we have taken x square y square z square common, then in this part only x will be remain here, student, because x is 3 times here and we have taken common 2 times. So x square is common and x cube is here, and in the second part y will be remain plus y here, student, because y cube is here and we have taken y square as common, and in the third part z cube this one is, and we have taken common z square. So at least one time z will be remain here. Now we have to write the denominator, that is 4x square y square z square. So students, 4 2 ja 8, this one will be 2, this one 1, and x square y square z square, x square y square z square, it will be cancelled. So the remaining part will be 2 into x plus y plus z, and this one is answer, student. This is fifth part of the question number 2, students, and in this part we have to divide this polynomial by this monomial. So first of all we have to write this p cube to the power 6 minus p to the power 6 q divided by p cube q. So first of all we have to take common in these two terms, students. So it will be p cube q6, and here p to the power 6 q. So at least 3 times p and q are common in both. So we have to take p cube q as common, and in this part, student, p cube is cancelled by p cube, and this one q cube, and this one q to the power 6. So q to the power 3 will be remain here, because there is q to the power 6. So this one will be q cube minus, and in this part p to the power 6 here and p to the power 3 we have taken as common. So p to the power 3 will be remain in this part, and now we have to write p cube q. This numerator will be cancelled by this denominator, and only q cube minus p cube will be remain. So this one is answer, student. This is third question, student, and in this we have to work out the following divisions. So first part of this question is 10x minus 25 divided by 5. So first of all we will write this like this: 10x minus 25 divided by 5. So take the common in between these two terms. There is 10x and this one 25. So 10 and 25 both are the multiple of 5. So we have to take 5 as common, and after taking 5 as common, 2x will be remain in the first term, and this one 5 5 ja 25 minus 5 will be remain in second term, and it is divisible by 5. So 5 and 5 will be cancelled, only 2x minus 5 will be remain, and this one is answer, student. This is third part of question number 3, student, and we have to divide 10y into 6y plus 21 by 5 into 2y plus 7. So we have to write this first part we have to write it as numerator, that is 10y into 6y plus 21, and second part will be denominator, that is 5 into 2y plus 7. In the next step, student, we have to find the common in between these two terms. So this one will be 10y, and what is common in 6 and 21? That is 3, student, because 6 is multiple of 3 and 21 is also a multiple of 3. So we have to take 3 as common. So in bracket 3 2 ja 6, 2y will be remain in first part, and 3 7 ja 21 plus 7 will be remain in this second part. Now we have to write the denominator, that is 5 and 2y plus 7. So this one 2y plus 7 is cancelled by this 2y plus 7, and numerator is 10 into 3y and denominator is 5. So 10 3 ja 30, student, 30 y divided by 5. So 5 6 ja 30. So it will be 6y. This one is answer, student. This is fourth part of question number 3rd, and in this we have to divide this first part with the second part. So first part is 9x square y square into 3z minus 24 divided by 27xy into z minus 8. So we have to write it in a systematic way, that is 9x square y square into 3z minus 24 divided by 27xy into z minus 8. This one is the second step. And in third step, students, we have to take common in these two terms, because 24 is a multiple of 3. So we have to take 3 as common. So this one 9x square y square into 3. We have taken 3 as common, so only z will be remain here, and 3 8 ja 24 minus 8 it will be, and denominator will be 27 xy and z minus 8. Now this numerator z minus 8 and denominator is also z minus 8, and there is a sign of multiplication, student. So we have to cancel it. Z minus 8 cancelled by z minus 8, and 3 9 ja 27. So it will be 9, and 9 1 ja 9, and 9 cancel here. So numerator will be x square y square, and denominator, that is xy. Now it will be x into y into y, and denominator will be x into y. So we have to cancel this y with this, and x with this x. So what is remain here? X into y. So answer is x y here, student. This is answer of this part of question. Now we have to solve last part of this question, student, that is fifth part, and in this 96 ABC into 3a minus 12 into 5b minus 30 divided by 144 a minus 4 into b minus 6. So we have to write it like this: 96 ABC into 3a minus 12 into 5b minus 30 divided by 144, this one a minus 4 and b minus 6. b minus 6 here, student. This one will be b minus 6. Now, in numerator, we observe that 3 is common in between these two terms, student. 3a minus 12. So, we can take here 3 as common, and in this second part of this question, that is 5b minus 30, we can take 5 as common, student. So, in the next step, write it 96 ABC into 3, because we have taken 3 as common, student, in these two terms. So, a will be remain here minus 3 4 ja 12. So, it will be a minus 4 after taking 3 as common. Now, in this term we have to take 5 as common, student, and here b, only b will be remain minus 5 6 ja 30. It will be b minus 6, and denominator will be 144 in one bracket a minus 4 and another bracket b minus 6. Now, we observe that numerator is also b minus 6 and denominator is b minus 6. Numerator is a minus 4 and denominator is also a minus 4, and there is sign of multiplication, student. So, we have to cancel it. b minus 6, b minus 6. This one a minus 4 and a minus 4. It is cancelled. So, numerator will be 96 into 3 into 5 into this one ABC, and denominator is 144. Now, we have to divide this 144 and 96, student. So, 96 is a multiple of 12 and 144 also a multiple of 12, student. So, 12 8 ja 96 and 12 12 ja, that is 144. Again 3 4 ja 12 and this 4 2 ja 8. This one 1. And now it will be 2 into 5 into ABC divided by 1. It means that is same as 2 into 5 into ABC, and after multiplying 2 5 ja 10 ABC. So, this one will be answer, student.